Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll share a common mistake that 9 out of 10 people make when replacing control arms. If you do not do it the right way, you will be doing the job earlier, sooner again, and that will cost you quite a bit of money and labor as well. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW. It could be almost any BMW. If you have a problem where you hear a noise, clunking noise when braking, slowing down, stay with us, we'll explain what can easily cause that. Okay, it doesn't mean that you have bad brake pads, it could be something completely different, so we're going to talk about that and what we often see. It could be multiple things, but we'll share the most common ones that we see here at the garage. 9 out of 10 people will make a common mistake when trying to fix that. That can cost you thousands of dollars in future repairs or having to do the job again. Stay with us, we'll explain about that. Also, we will talk guys, okay, about other things where you can buy parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. But before we continue, let me tell you a little bit about us. So every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork, almost anything guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW or any car at a really good price, quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description, that way you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, and you don't waste your money. So let's start on it now. So what we have here, we'll demonstrate on that 5 Series, but even if you have a different BMW, it will work as well guys. So right here now, okay, what can easily cause noise, clanking noise when braking guys, when slowing down? Multiple things. Number one will be to inspect your disc rotors to make sure they're not cracked, no wore out, and brake pads. Okay, brake pads that are worn or old, baked, practically can cause that as well. Check both inner, outer and inner brake pad. Make sure the brake pad sensor is not contacting the disc rotor and that's causing the noise. But the clunking noise usually will be caused from something else. It could be multiple things, but the ones that's quite often guys will be control arm bushings. You have a front control arm like this one often. Right here, our bushing fell right there. I want to show you that one. Okay, this is the old one here, and when that fails, that allows guys the tire to move, the bushing to move here, and that causes clunking, okay, when you're braking. Now, something else guys, okay, you will have multiple control arms on your BMW. You may have this one here, also you have a rear one right there that has multiple bushings. And some BMW models will even have an upper control arm, like this one. It has 2 more bushings, one there, and a ball joint. You will need to inspect all your ball joints on the control arms, right here on the back as well, on the other 2 control arms, and the tie rod. Okay, worn tie rod, ball joint or the inner outer tie rod can cause guys noise, clunking as well. Other things it could be that can easily cause noise and clunking when braking guys, it could be the sway bar link bushings where it attached to the subframe, or the sway bar links. That's the device that connects the sway bar to the shock. It has 2 ball joints, one on top, one on the bottom. When they fail, okay, that can cause clunking noise as well. Also, you need to inspect, make sure that the car is aligned correctly guys. It could be multiple things, but also you need to inspect your struts. Bad struts can cause clunking, or strut shock mount on top. So when replacing the strut, okay, replace the mounts as well. When replacing a control arm, you cannot replace only one, you have to replace all of them at the same time, otherwise they will fail, and you need to do both on both sides. Let's say both front ones. And both sides at the same time, and each side will have multiple control arms. You need to do them all at the same time. Another thing that you will need to do guys, have your car aligned, okay, and after control arm replacement, shock replacement, and also you need to align the control arms in a special way, otherwise they'll fail prematurely as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.